Hello everyone. The following presentation is how to approach the Life of Pi essay for your English Home Language Paper 2. Let us look at how to use evidence correctly from the novel because this is very important for NSC marking. If you use your evidence incorrectly, markers can actually penalize you. So it's not just about including quotes or just retelling the story to the markers, it's about written the essay properly. Your introduction should name the novel and author and give a clear thesis. For example, in the novel of Life of Pi by Yann Martel, it is demonstrated that faith and imagination allow humans to endure even the darkest challenges. Notice that I have used the author's full name and the novel's title. That's the correct way to do it. Grade 12s, if your introduction is not clear, or your thesis is unclear. NSC markers will notice it, and it will be so confusing to markers, and that can cost you marks. The first body paragraph should start with a topic sentence that tells the reader the paragraph's main idea. Then bring a very clear evidence from the novel like this quote from Pi, "I just want to love God." After that, explain what it shows in your own words. For example, it shows Pi deep devotion and hope, and his faith keeps him mentally strong when logic cannot. That's where your understanding marks come from. Also, start new body paragraphs with linking words like moreover or however to make your essay flow. NSC markers reward good structure. Notice the paragraph starts with moreover. That's a transition from the previous idea. Then there's a clear topic sentence. Reason and knowledge help Pi survive. You can add evidence here too, but make sure it connects to your point. Markers look for clear links between your evidence and your argument. That's again how you earn full understanding marks. And here we shift focus with however. This paragraph explores storytelling and belief. At the end of the novel, Pi gives two versions of his story, and that moment makes us as readers think about what people choose to believe. Markers appreciate when you show insight like this, when you don't just retell the story, but explain what it means. With everything mentioned above taken into account, it is clear the conclusion should restate your thesis and summarize your main points. No new evidence here, no new ideas. Grade 12s, you just remind the marker of what your essay has proven. For example, your final thesis statement could be, through Pi's journey, it shows that faith and reason together allow humans to find hope and meaning, even when facing impossible challenges. This leaves the reader with a strong, confident ending that ties all your paragraphs together, and that is exactly what NSC markers look for. So, quick recap. Start with a clear introduction that states your thesis. In your body paragraphs, relevant evidence and explain what it means. Use linking words to make your essay flow. Finish with a conclusion that ties everything together. NSC markers check structure, clarity, and how well you use evidence. So if you follow this layout, you're setting yourself up for full marks. And that's how you write a good Life of Pi essay that will impress markers, grade 12s. Thank you for watching.